Just one note, I noticed that there are these locking washers that are in the box, and I believe that they actually go in here. They're not shown in the instructions, but I believe that's where they should be used. So that should keep the wheel from coming loose. So let me just go ahead and tighten everything. That is pretty much the final step before we actually get to adjusting the height of the dethatcher so that it works properly. Okay, here are the final steps of setting your dethatcher. Loosen up these bolts, these two over here, and loosen up these bolts as well. Set it on top of the half-inch board. In this case I'm using half-inch drywall. So, of course, attach the dethatcher to your lawn tractor. Okay, once everything is set in place, then just tighten up the bolts. And once you've tightened them up, everything is set in place and it should be ready for dethatching.